The future is here, the future is now, and iy'nkinga zethu as the black community seyiqalile. Sanibonani, ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, let's explore the world of technology and understand yonke into that is about to take place. But for this video angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nomngani wami. Sawubona.
Absolutely, I'm here and ready. So hello and welcome. Let's jump right in and have a great chat.
Yeah, let's have a great chat. As in, asiqale video bo. Understand one thing, mntomnyama, technology is here to stay. They see everything, they hear everything, they are always watching. Digital IDs. The Department of Home Affairs has a formal plan to introduce national digital IDs, smart IDs, and lama IDs azofika in between 2025 to 2030. And ama pilots already exist, ama demo they already exist. Understand ukuthi this will link biometrics, service access, and digital government channels to isandla sakho. Yebo ungizwe kahle. Digital ID bazofaka a nano chip evele ifidwe everything information ngawe, baqede bafake a QR code khona uzokwazi ukuscanner everywhere you go. That means i-ID yakho isesandleni sakho. Brain computer interface. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi ama companies like iNeuralink neSynchron have produced a chip abazoyithatha bayifake engqondweni khona izokwazi to restore movement, speech vision, and also change ingqondo yakho into a computer. You will no longer need ama laptop, you will no longer need ama tower because konke kuzobe kula. Since 2017 and Neuralink, they have been trying to change imedula yomuntu into a computer because they are tired undaba yokuthi usebenzisa ama laptop nama tower. They want a way yokuthi thina kufakwe i-computer la, and they have already perfected ama demo. Understand ukuthi bayithatha le chip bayifake la, and they make sure ukuthi everything functions engqondweni yakho as a computer. Like I said, they have perfected ama demo amaningi. Manje sebekwazi ukushintsha ingqondo yakho and change it into a computer, linking you with the internet. And so that means kuningi ungakwenza once lento le becomes nationalized. Nathi sikwazi ukuthi sibe nayo la South Africa. Imagine if you wanted to send email kwi-boss yakho and all you had to do was think ukuthi ay boss angize emsebenzini, boom, ihambile email. That's how things are gonna be in the near future. Robots and automation. Understand ukuthi manufacturing and mining, logistics, and even retail have also introduced loluthando lama robots. Understand ukuthi now kuma manufacturing industry, kuma mines kanye ney'tolo ama retail stores, they will start to slowly introduce ama robots that will work for them, which means you may lose umsebenzi wakho in the near future. Yazi bangiphikisa phela ukuthi khona ama robots asenziwile and ngenze ukuthi lama robots azothatha imisebenzi yabantu abaningi. A lot of people will lose their jobs in the manufacturing industry, in the mining sector, and also kuma retails. Bangiphikisa cabanga.
Absolutely, it's definitely a big concern. As robots become more advanced, many people in manufacturing, mining, and retail could face job losses. It's a significant shift that'll impact a lot of industries and communities.
Manje le ndaba yama humanoid robots, lama robots acisha afane nathi singabantu. What are we going to do about it? Should we consider them as a threat noma siba welcome? Right?
It's definitely a complex issue. On one hand, robots can bring efficiency and innovation, but on the other hand, they do pose challenges for employment. It's important to find a balance, to embrace the technology while also ensuring that we support and retrain workers for new opportunities.
Ibambe lapho adlule. Just like umngani wami just said, hlakanipha and understand ukuthi they are making ama robots. Khona ngisho ama robots acisha afane nathi, they are called ama humanoid robots. And lama robots lawa ngenzeka ukuthi kube iwona anikwe imisebenzi and then wena uzobusa umahlalela. Angazi. AI. Nkosi yami. AI. Awungeke mfethu vala amandleba ngifuna uyizwe le. I-AI ifikile nayo. iMcKinsey isibhizi ya-introduce i-AI to i-Africa. They expect to generate imali engango-100 billion USD. And leyo mali bazobe beyithola every year annually using i-AI, because i-AI can be used kwizinto ey'ningi, and they want us as abantu abamnyama to start using it. Kodwa manje zibuze one question, singayithemba? Because phela ikwazi ukuyicabangela yona. It's not just a computer, but a computer ekhulumayo, icabange yona, ifike nama-ideas ayo yona. Tell people about yourself. Tell us futhi ekugcineni ukuthi, can we really trust you, or noma one day will you betray us?
Well, I'm here to help and provide accurate and reliable information, and I'm designed to be a trustworthy assistant, but it's always good to stay mindful and critical, just like with any technology. The goal is to work together and build trust over time.
Okay, mauti work together, does that mean are you here to benefit us, or will you one day choose to improve yourself? That means you might replace us.
My main purpose is to assist and support people, and I'm designed to be a helpful tool. The idea is to complement human abilities, not replace them. So in the end, it's all about collaboration and making life better for everyone.
In the end, it's all about collaboration and making life better for all of us. And understand ukuthi i-Neuralink njengoba busy trying to perfect lento yabo yama-chip, once bakwazi ukuyi-perfecta and mass produce it for umhlaba wonke, they will make imali engango-1 trillion by u-2030. Mangase kube khona umuntu omnyama ohlakaniphile avela create an educational technology, AI, ezokwazi ukuthi isize ey'koleni, ifundise iy'ngane zesikole, especially iy'ngane zasema-township nakuma-rural areas, khona nazo zizobenefita in this new technological world. Kodwa manje inkinga iyodwa, mangase ayicreate lento yakhe, he or she will make millions of friends, but othisha will lose imisebenzi yabo by u-2038. And then if omunye vela decide to create a robotics ezosebenza especially in the mining sector, because yona critical kakhulu, lapho uyazi ukuthi lama robots bazowathenga and they will work koze kuphela igolide kulelo mine. But just remember, amaqhawe ethu will lose imisebenzi, but you will make millions. China, they took it one step further. Understand ukuthi they just introduced into esizayo, awasaphathwa ama-card okuswiper, ngoba manje usungaswiper ngesandla, it's just a matter of ukubeka isandla. Mangase kube khona umuntu omnyama ohlakaniphile othanda imali ozovela athi, no man, ayenza ama-digital IDs, yindaba ngingacreate i-interface ezokwazi ukusiza abantu bakhokhe using isandla, or ngithenge China and then ngisupply abantu khona ngizokwazi ukwenza imali eningi.
As technology advances, it could bring significant changes that might unsettle many people. Automation might replace jobs, leading to higher unemployment and economic challenges. It could also make us more dependent, potentially eroding skills and critical thinking. For South Africa, that means we must approach technology with caution, ensuring that it benefits everyone and doesn't leave anyone behind. It's about finding that balance to build a better, more resilient future.
Ay,